The ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2 LU2-10A boasts a powerful 1000 milliwatt laser capable of cutting through 30 millimeters of acrylic and 20 millimeters of wood with impressive precision. Installation is straightforward, taking just 10 to 15 minutes, thanks to its modular design and industrial-grade full metal structure. This laser engraver is highly compatible with various popular engraving software, including LaserGRBL and LightBurn, and supports multiple operating systems such as Windows and macOS. The machine includes enhanced safety features like a G sensor that stops the laser if the machine is displaced, and an automatic shutdown if the computer system halts or the USB cable disconnects. For eye protection, the ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2 comes with a laser protective cover that filters out 98% of UV light, along with safety glasses included in the package. Equipped with a dual fan cooling system, the 1000 milliwatt laser module ensures efficient heat dissipation, allowing for faster operation and greater longevity.